So my base is this raspberry, which is really cute. I'm going to mix it with some of this siren blue with some glittery blue in there as well. It's on the bottom, but once I mix them. And then just seep in a little bit of gold, and then I'm going to follow up with a little bit of the white, which I'm hoping is come out more like a cream. So here we go. Here is my color. This is the base I want to use. This is my pretty blue. Look how gorgeous that came out. This is my cream. It was white, but I wanted to look more creamy. I like that as well. And then here's my splash of color gold. And then you'll see I have some of the kind of burgundy-ish color off to the side. And that is to do my cream. It has shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil. And I use a little bit of castor oil to make natural bubbles. Okay, so I'm just going to add this to the base of my cake. I want the bottom to have this pretty tone to it. I don't want a lot of it. I just want the bottom portion to have that. A little bit more to give it a little bit of thicker base. Okay. That is so pretty. I really questioned using this one, but now glad I did. Okay. I still have a little bit of OCD here to get that out the way. Okay. So I think I'm going to do the burgundy and then the cream and then the blue and the gold so that the gold can be on the top surface of the face of the cake and you can see it. And with the inner part swirl, what I love about it is that you can just creatively pour what you want to pour. And I'm supposed to pour about 10 ounces of this cream. So hold on. Okay, I needed just a little bit more. I went ahead put on a scale. You guys know I have to be specific. Can you guys see the specks, the sparkles in the blue? It's so pretty. Okay, again up top to make it go all the way. It doesn't matter if it, oh, that's pretty. Gosh, I wish I had more of that color. See? That's what happens when you start doing, you're like, oh man. I'm trying to put it all over the cake. Oh, yeah, these colors go really, really well. Really, really well. And scrape, scrape, scrape. It doesn't matter because once I pick this up and start pouring it, these colors are going to go however it wants to go creatively on the cake. So it really doesn't matter how I pour it. It's going to be how it's supposed to be. And that's what I kind of like about it. Okay. And now, can you guys see? Yeah? Okay. And let me move this up just a little bit. Okay. And now the gold. Ooh, okay. That side got a lot of gold. Let me make sure this side got some, child. Ooh. Jeez. It was like drop. Oh, that's funny to me. Okay. Now I'm going to pause for a moment. I'm going to go to the table and I'm going to mix these colors to thicken them up before I pour. Okay, so I've already blended the other colors. And so now I'm going to pour my soap into the mold, the cake mold. These are offsetting from my cream. And I'm going to pour this. Now, how I'm going to pour this, so you try not to, this is how the pattern looks now, which is gorgeous. You try not to mess with it, with how you pour it, and just naturally pour. So I'm trying to turn my engineering brain off and just be more creative with this and pour. But part of me is like, it's not really flowing the way it should. It's not really, it's hard to turn it off because I'm like, it's not, the colors are not going to be all the same. But okay. Be creative, Camilla. Be creative. Here we go. So I'm going to pour. Oh my gosh. Oh, how gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I did not expect it to come out so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, I learned a lesson today. Oh, to just let stuff go and let it be. So let me just move it all, okay, to the front. Wow, I cannot wait to see this soap. This is going to be like the most creative, colorful cake ever. All right. Look at my cake. Oh my gosh. I said I got rid of the bubbles. Wow. Look at that. That is really pretty. So I'm going to let this sit until my cream thicken and I can start piping. Okay. So I see you guys back soon. Okay. So I'm back. I'm also incredibly hot. So you may hear a fan in the back. Honey, I'm 47 perimenopausal, okay? So this is my cream. It's nice and thick and ready for me to pipe. So I'm about to pipe it right now. I was going to do a different head, but I'm going to still use this one. Only because that's how my last one came out. I really like how that looked. I did one thing, but I don't want to do too many at once. And this is my purple sunset cake slice. See, that's how that came out. This is for my daughter's graduation. She pulled her slices. A bit too many for me. No, I'm kidding. And what's left is what I have available on my shop. Okay. So, we're going to give this a go. This is actually nice and thick. So I should have no problem. Make sure you guys can see. Okay. Ooh, child, it's hot. It's hot, hot, hot. Big dollops. I'm trying not to push too much because I want to make sure it goes all. Now I had piped this part kind of high before, so I'm just gonna go back on this side and make sure these get some height. Okay. You're the reason why. This is my cake. Oh, yay, look at the height, honey. Yes, it is giving big height. Okay. Yes. I think I like this gold a little bit more. Yes. Yeah. This is biodegradable glitter too. I don't want too much in the center. I don't mind it being in the center, but I just don't want a lot. And I'm doing, for me, this is light glitter, okay? But yes, it kind of gives that, okay, gives that sparkle larkle, okay? Yes. What was I thinking saying? No glitter, child. Ooh. So if you were interested in doing a custom order, just contact us on our website or send us an email and we'll get back with you. Ooh, yes, honey. Yes. I like it. I love it, actually. Now this one, what happened here? I'll skip you over. Here's my cake. Ooh, okay. She's getting very healthy, very bedazzled. Okay, checking me out. I love it. Okay. So stay tuned till next time when I mold her. I'm leave her out. I don't freeze my cakes, especially since I did the white in there because it has a little bit of water blend. So this is going to stay out and covered, and I will be back to unmold her. Till next time, love and peace. Peace and love. Peace and love. Boom, 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 boom. Peace and love. Get.